The Redmi Note 15 series is now official in China, and the two Pro models arrive with several improvements over predecessors in areas like battery, chipset, and display. The Note 15 Pro and Pro Plus has the same 6.83-inch AMOLED 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 3200 nits brightness. It has 12-bit color depth screen with Xiaomi's Dragon crystal glass of protection. It's the first phone with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, the Pro Plus. The new CPU offers 7% CPU and GPU improvements and carries 5200 square vapor chamber. The Note 15 Pro Plus satellite messaging edition is the first for a Redmi phone. The 15 Pro comes at Dimensity 7400 Ultra SoC, which is the overclocked version of Dimensity 7300. Both of them feature 7000 milliampere battery. The Pro Plus gets 90-watt wired charging, while 15 Pro gets 45 watt. You can use the Note 15 Pros as a power bank thanks to the 22.5 reverse wired charging capabilities. The Note 15 Pro Plus brings the 50 megapixel main OV Light Hunter 800 along with 50 megapixel portrait lens with 2.5 focal optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide. The Pro gets 50 megapixel LYT 600 main shooter and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. They are IP60 69K water and dust resistant and boost Xiaomi HyperOS 2 based on 150. The Pro is available in midnight silver, cedar white, sky blue, and color purple colors, and it starts at $208 for the base 258 256 GB version and maxes out at $264 at 512 GB trim. The Pro Plus comes in midnight black, cedars white, sky blue, and smoky purple color. It starts at $238 for 12 256 and goes up to $334 for the 16 512 GB variant. The satellite edition will cost you around $348.